Hey everybody, Matthew Moore's Wood Studio. I'm here in the shop. There's stuff in front of me. What's going on? It's time for another shop update. I've been filming, but I haven't been filming for YouTube as well really much lately. I just kind of wanted to get down in the shop and work, film for the school, but I didn't want the pressure of doing a weekly thing for YouTube at that moment in time. I just want to get back into the groove of actually working. And I am at the end of this project. I just put the first coat of finish on this coffee table, which is designed to match the modern nightstand. So this is the modern coffee table. And it's part of a series of pieces of furniture that is going to be a set. So a bedroom set is what I'm developing, or I don't know, our bedroom has a sitting room plus the bedroom, so whatever you want to call it, but a line of furniture that is all going to tie together. So there's going to be tons of projects, not tons, but a number of other projects after this that's going to complete this entire thing, including a dresser, some standing cabinets or / bookshelves, some stuff like that. So anyways, I have been working. So let me try to bring you up to speed really quick. Long story short, I have this really awesome slab here, and I wanted to pair it with something that was cool and functional or neat looking or whatever you want to do it. And I designed a whole bunch of stuff, and they were just too much. Just too much. I'm looking at these designs on the computer, I'm looking at them on paper. I'm like, this is crazy. We got to get back to KISS here, Matthew. Keep it simple, stupid, right? And that's what happened with these. So these two legs here, they're slightly different in as far as their lengths is concerned, but the exact same construction. So they are the same wood as the base for the nightstand, which is hickory, and I milled the hickory up, cut it all the width to length, etc. And then I used my domino for all the joinery here. So the joinery for the vertical to the horizontal pieces was all done with the domino. And I just love the domino for something like this. It was boom, 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 done, right? And that was awesome. And I wanted the edges of one flat of them, one face, to be exactly parallel to each other. That's how the design came about. Keep it simple, stupid. Let's make some simple but good looking legs. Let's give them the same curve lift, this lift here, that's gonna make this table kind of look like it's floating. Just like I did in the base for the nightstands. And I love how it all came out. I love that the contrast between the tabletop, the walnut, and the light color of the hickory is dark to light. I think it looks fantastic. So after that, it was time to get the slab nice and flat. So I broke out the Woodpecker's slab flattening mill. First flattening the bottom and using some wedges, trying to get as close to an inch as possible. And I ended up at 0.9175 or 0.92, something like that, for the width, the thickness of the slab. So close to an inch thick, and that's what I wanted. And with that done, it was time to do a bunch of sanding. And sand the bottom, sand the top, use a 6-inch random orbital for the more aggressive stance with getting the initial ridges from that really big bit that I use for the flattening out, and then move to a 5-inch on the top and a 6-inch all the way on the bottom. You're never going to see it all the way to 220, but using the 6-inch there on the fine setting. And it just worked out really well. Filled some voids, some epoxy, scraped those off. Of course, that was before all the sanding was done, and then made some cuts with forward sanding too, with the track saw to just do some final shaping on the slab. And then put some finish on it, and this is where it is. That's pretty much it for this week. I'm just jazzed. I wanted to see your beautiful faces and say hi. Tell you I have been working. I have been doing stuff here in the shop. It's just getting back into the groove, getting down here and filming, and now I feel pretty comfortable with that. I'll start sharing regularly again with you guys, and I want to hear what you've been up to. Let me know that in the comments below. As always, please subscribe to the channel, share with your friends, and hit that thumbs up button if you like this video. If you're watching this on Facebook, hit the like button and share it in your timeline. And if you're watching this on Instagram and IGTV, give me a follow, like the video, write some comments down the bottom there too. And as always, 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 have a great week in your shop.